Another internet connection attack, guys. How about that? There we go. And it's 8:50 a.m. Sunday, December 21st, 2025. Another internet connection attack. Let's try again. Oh, what happened here? Let's make sure it's working. We have another internet connection attack. Let's see. Waiting. There is a delay, guys. Okay, there is a delay. They continue attacking our uploads at 8:55 a.m. Sunday, December 21st, 2025. Military-grade technology attacking our uploads. And you saw the change of heart. Once we uploaded. There we go. So we're waiting. This camera has been attacked. The camera has been attacked. The camera has been attacked as well. So we are standing by, guys. Alright. Waiting. Murder plot continues electronically. State insurance policy fraud, identity theft, Medicaid. We are waiting, guys. Okay.